Most people get this wrong. They assume Payday Master is a traditional payday loan. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers instant access to earned wages with transparent fees and budgeting support, helping users avoid debt traps when used responsibly. Here's how it works. Payday Master allows employees to access a portion of their earned income before payday, usually within hours. Instead of high interest rates, it charges a flat fee per advance. The 2026 version also includes spending alerts, repayment reminders, and optional tools to plan short-term cash flow effectively. The catch: frequent use can be costly. Most users don't realize how quickly small fees accumulate, and relying on Payday Master as a regular income supplement can lead to financial stress. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access what you truly need and can repay promptly. 2. Use the app's alerts and reminders to stay on track. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to avoid repeated reliance. Who should use Payday Master? People with steady income who occasionally need fast cash. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment, this service may be more expensive than it's worth. In conclusion, Payday Master in 2026 is a helpful short-term cash tool, but only when used wisely. Treat it as a convenience, not a primary source of income, and you'll benefit without falling into debt. Subscribe for more reviews and practical financial advice.